This is the 1P8S 230Ah LFP battery module developed by Luoyang Tianhuan. With 25.6 volts and 230 ampere-hour, the 1P8S module offers 5.88 kilowatt-hour in a compact design. This module is widely used in residential storage, commercial energy systems, and off-grid solutions, etc. Customizations are available for dimensions, electrical specifications, and interface types. The module has a plastic top with clear polarity marks. CCS and sensor harness integrates various required sensors for efficient and reliable data collection. Steel straps on the sides reinforce the structure while ensuring heat dissipation. Stamped aluminum end plates provide excellent thermal conductivity and mechanical strength. All cells are A-grade lithium iron phosphate, delivering reliable performance and consistent quality. Module is fully certified to meet UL, CE, UN 38.3 and other international standards. Feel free to contact us anytime. We are always ready to support you. Luoyang Tianhuan, powering a greener and smarter future.